हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आई होप आप सब काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे। आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं मिलिट्री की गन फायरिंग टेक्निक्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम इस वीडियो के दो पार्ट करते हैं। पहले हम पिस्टल से फायरिंग सीखेंगे और उसके बाद हम राइफल से फायरिंग सीखेंगे, मतलब क्या पोजीशंस होती हैं। फ्रेंड्स, ये सब असली मिलिट्री टेक्निक्स हैं, तो इनमें आप अपनी कोई टेक्निक मत जोड़ देना। गन्स यूज कर रहा हूँ वो मैंने खुद बनाई है। आप अगर आपके घर पे असली गन है तो प्लीज उसका यूज मत कीजिएगा, क्योंकि वो बहुत डेंजरस हो सकता है। Friends, first you should see for some stone or something where you can rest your leg. After that, you should take the position of firing. Your front hand should be straight, not bent, and your second hand should be bent, not down, not up, straight bent. First hand straight, second hand bent, and then load your gun and fire. Friends, if you are firing in standing position, that too from one hand, your position should be like this. You should not stand like this, one leg ahead and one leg back. If you are a lefty, then you can stand in this position. Your hand should be locked. Load your gun and fire. Friends, if you are firing in sitting position, then your position should be like this. You should move and see where your target is. Load your gun, and the most important thing is that your legs should be locked. You should not move, and then fire. When you are firing with a rifle, the rifle's back side should not be on your stomach, it should be on your shoulder, and that too fixed, and then fire. If you are firing with a rifle in standing position where the rifle has a scope, then the backside of the rifle should be fixed on your shoulder. Look into the scope, fix your target and fire. When you are firing in sitting position, your legs position should be like this. Hold your rifle tight, fix it again, look and lock your target and then fire. When you are firing in sleeping position, make sure nobody can see you. Find a place where many things are there, lock your target and fire. You can also camouflage your cleaner. What all stuff do you have? This washing gun, window cleaning. Here water pipe is attached and water will be there. Okay, you can go. After reaching inside, go near your target. Join your gun. Load and fire. तो फ्रेंड्स, बस यही थे कुछ मिलिट्री गन फायरिंग टेक्निक्स और उनका किस तरह से रहता है। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। पसंद है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।